How to customize your keyboard shortcuts to perform functions in DaVinci Resolve 18.6. Inside your DaVinci Resolve interface, you can access the keyboard customization window by holding in Control or Command if you're a Mac user, and pressing Alt or Option and K, or by selecting the relevant option under DaVinci Resolve in the top left corner. Let's say, for example, now that we wish to change the keyboard shortcut for copying and edit on a project file. Under Commands and Application, I will select Edit, and I will find the Copy function underneath the relevant Command and Keystroke headings. Under the latter column, we can find what the current keyboard shortcut is. I can now type on my keyboard the shortcut that I now wish to apply to this particular command. If I now press Save, we will now need to record this setting as a preset, so that the default commands are saved separately in the software. Here in this example, I will call this preset DaVinci Resolve 2 and click OK. You can find your existing presets by clicking on the DaVinci Resolve menu in the top right corner. The default keyboard mapping presets with all of the original keystrokes is stored in DaVinci Resolve. Select any of these and save in the bottom right corner to apply as you wish. Bear in mind that I have two keystrokes saved for the command copy. When going into a project file and applying this command, holding in Ctrl and J or Ctrl and C will result in this selected clip on the edit timeline being duplicated. And so when I go to paste by pressing Ctrl and V, a duplicate is placed from the position of the red playhead. I can delete any of these keystrokes for the commands by using my mouse cursor and by selecting the X next to this. You can also click on the preset options in the top right corner and choose to delete a keystroke preset that you set. Since this is a preset that I have created as a user, I can delete the default keystroke settings such as Ctrl and C here for copy. If you wish to restore the default keystroke settings, click on the reset button which appears to the right of these keystrokes, so that Ctrl and C is now reinstated. If you enter in a keystroke that has already been assigned to a command, the software will notify you about this existing assignment. If you choose to click on Assign, your new keystroke will be added despite the clash with another command. So when you go to click on Save and return to your project, if I try pasting with Ctrl and V here for example now, this command won't be executed because of the clash of assigned keystrokes. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.